If you're someone who wants to make money just not in the short run but even in the long run, consistently every single day for a very, very long period of time, then this video is for you. Welcome back, and I'm Pujita Singh, a certified life coach and NLP coach. What I wanted to talk to my viewers today is about something very important and potent that I have understood in my life, and I have seen this with people, whom I have advised in their life. They have tried this, they have practiced this, and they are doing really, really well in their life. Okay, and this is something that I wanted to share with the larger world today. And what is that? People complain that they don't have money. People complain that they are struggling for money in their life. People complain that I'm not able to make money or not do well in financial life, even though I'm working extremely hard. Let me tell you the hard truth today. People who have these kind of issues in their life, go back and do one important review or self-reflection in your life, and I'll tell you what is that. People who struggle in their financial life, hear to me very, very closely. People who struggle in their financial life are the ones who are disrespecting women in their life. What do I mean by that? People who don't value or respect their spouse or mother or sister or daughter or sister-in-law or daughter-in-law are the ones who are struggling in their financial life, because they are the ones who don't value women in their life. They are the same set of people who do all the kind of prayers every single day, who also pray Goddess Lakshmi on Diwali, but they are the ones who don't respect women in their life. They treat women as a doormat. They treat women as somebody who just works for them and their family. But let me tell you, if you really start paying attention to what I'm going to tell today, literally pay close attention to what I tell today, your life is going to change from the minute that you start realizing the importance of what I'm trying to say. So from now on, when you watch this video, start understanding what is it that you think about women. How do you feel? How do you value them in your mind? See, nobody's going to come and ask you this. Nobody's going to come and question you. You can continue living the way you're living, continue to struggle the way you're struggling. And the life has to move on, and the life will continue to move on. But what is important is this thing that I'm telling you. I want you to start focusing in your life as to how you're treating your daughters, your daughter-in-law, your sister-in-law, your wife, your spouse, or your any women in life. How are you treating them? And let me tell you, those are the people who are struggling big time in their family issues, in their relationship issues, and their financial issues. How you treat women is how you treat money in your life, and I'm not joking. There are people whom I advise this, they have gone back and changed this, and of course a period of 2 months, 3 months, 6 months to 1 year, they started seeing results. I want you to try this today. There is no harm. Rather, things will only get better. Even if you don't earn money out of it immediately, or if you don't believe in this, only thing that can happen out of this whole situation is your relationships is going to get better. Your relationships are going to get better at any given point in time. So from now on, please realize this importance. See, we all pray Goddess Lakshmi, we all pray all kind of gods to Lord Kuber and so much more to make money, or to pray for financial life or a better life or better living. But if you start doing these little corrections in your life, the environment of your home is going to change. The way you think about women is going to change. The way you are surrounded by the kind of thoughts and people are going to change, and it will reflect in your financial life. In fact, she will start giving you more suggestions and add more value. How you respect her is how you will be respected, not just in internal world but in external world, in your financial life, in much more aspects of life. And the second important thing that you have to do, or you can do, which I have tried this and I've also advised people to do this, is this. If you are someone who has not valued women or not gifted her anything till date or nothing much till date, start doing that today. What do I mean by that? I am not saying that if you are running out of money, buy something expensive for her and gift it to her. No. Even if you gift her something very small or tiny, or even a gesture of appreciation or acknowledgement, the way she's gonna treat you and the family and so much more in your environment is gonna much change a lot. Try this aspect and let me know how it feels, because these are the ones who literally they start acknowledging you in a different way. They start giving a different perspective in life, and I have done this genuinely and I've seen how it works. See, what you do with others is what you're going to receive it back in your life. So even if you're spending 20 rupees, for example, you're only going to get multiplied of 20. And I'm not kidding. I have seen this literally happening with people. So today, if you're watching this video, not because it's someone's birthday or it is someone's anniversary, don't do that. You will anyways do that, or you don't do that. That's your personal choice of celebration. But when you listen to this video from now on, just surprise her. Surprise your mother, surprise your sister, surprise your daughter, surprise your daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, or your mother-in-law, right? And let me tell you, the way things are gonna change in your personal life, the way things are gonna change in your relationships, the way your financial life is gonna turn around is just beyond words. So 2 things from now on: realize, value, and respect her. And the second thing is acknowledge and appreciate her and gift her something, even if you can't deserve, or if you can't afford to buy something huge that she has asked for in the past. Surprise her with something small, maybe something that she likes eating, maybe something that she has been trying to have it for a very, very long time. Anything that you think is most important. Try this and let me know how it goes. The people who have tried this in their life, in a span of 6 months to 1 year, their life has changed completely, and today they come back and thank me genuinely for what they misunderstood and underestimated have actually turned around their life, so much so that they can never forget the advice that I have given them. So you are not too far away from changing your life. Take one step at a time. Surprise someone. Get a smile on that person's face. Change that person's life. See, this is not something which is very spiritual or religious. It is simple science. What you give is what you get, and how you respect women is how you respect money. We all do all of that by praying the female goddess or all kind of god. Whenever the festivals demand, why not celebrate the woman goddess every single day? With that, thank you so much for listening to me patiently, for letting me know how my videos are helping you and adding value in your lives. It means a lot when you spend time and listen to it patiently and actually go back and implement it. It means really a lot to me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and with that, love you loads. Until then, bye-bye.